Drug overdose deaths nationwide plunged last year, according to new data just released by the CDC. Here in Ohio, where we have been hit hard, the drop was even more noticeable. 19 investigator Sarah Goldenberg joins us live in the newsroom with a look behind the number. So Sarah, what did you find?
Well, Nikki, new data from the CDC shows a big improvement, but there's still a lot of work to be done. Provisional data from the CDC estimates there was a decrease of nearly 27% in drug overdose deaths in 2024 compared to 2023. The CDC estimates there were more than 80,300 drug overdose deaths in the U.S. during 2024. Again, that's a decrease of nearly 27% from 2023. The agency expects annual drug overdose deaths to reach their lowest level since 2019. Ohio, along with several other states, saw drug overdose deaths decline last year by 35% or more. For people out there who are struggling with addiction, Tyler Mullins knows how hard it can be to get help and stay sober. He's getting help himself at the Lantern Center for Recovery.
You think you're buying something from one guy and you get it from another and it's 10 times as strong and you end up, dead. I've had a lot of people that thought that this couldn't happen to them.
And we will have more on Tyler's recovery journey and what a local nonprofit thinks of this progress in fighting drug overdose deaths. That's tonight at 6. Sarah Goldenberg, 19 News.